This is cooking oil. This is unboxing time. So guys, I'm going to be unboxing these packages, this one and this one, that I recently got from China. Okay, and I'm also going to be sharing with us one very important tip that has been helping me as a mini importer, especially for those mini importers who doesn't have a shop. Okay, so if you don't have a shop, this particular tip is going to be of great help to you. So let's get right into it. So the very first one is going to be this. So I'm going to unbox this, and I'm going to unbox this particular one. Okay, I actually got these so that I can use it for some setup. Okay, but as of right now, I'm not sure I'll be setting up anytime soon because I'm not mostly around in the house, and these people can easily destroy it. So I will not set it up now, but definitely very soon I'll be setting it out. Okay, so this is how this first one looks like. So let me just open it up. Let's see what it's inside. A study table. I got this study table when I was about to go to school, but as of right now, I have one study table at school, so I'm not sure I'll be needing this at school. I'll just leave it over here. So this is the manual, and this is how it actually, the board looks like. Okay, so the board is very strong, so all you have to do is just to put it together and you are done. Okay, so let's quickly go to the very next one. So the next one is going to be this particular package here. I think this should be a tripod stand. I got the LED light with a tripod stand, so I believe this is the tripod stand. Yes, definitely it is. So it also comes with this. So this is actually the light, but this LED light looks a bit different from the normal ones that we usually go for. Okay, so this is how this one looks like. It's like full light. It's not actually, the half ones that we always go for. So now let's go right into this particular one here. Okay, my umbrellas are in. I actually got these umbrellas, two of it. It's actually the automatic one. This smells so nice. Like, it smells so nice. I don't remember what this is. Honestly, I don't remember, but the only thing I can remember about this is the fact that it's toilet refreshener or something like that, but I don't really remember a whole lot about it. But this smells so nice. I'll go back to my one to say it and actually know what this is for. So the very next one is going to be this ones here, and these are actually teeth brightening paste. Okay, somebody recommended this to me, and the person was like, it's so good, and I decided to get some few samples to just try it out and see how it is going to work out. So I got I think about 10 pieces. They are just samples. I want to try them out and see how it actually goes. So now let's get right into the tip. Okay, this tip, as I said, is especially for those who are into mini importation but they do not yet have shops. Okay, you don't yet have a physical shop somewhere. This tip is going to help you. I've been implementing it and it is helping me. Okay, so now what tip am I talking about here? One big mistake most of us do is the fact that we feel like since we do not have shops, we have to price our items lower. Because you don't have a shop, you just assume that, okay, I'm not paying any extra, so even if my items are cheaper, there is nothing wrong with it. Everything is wrong with it. This tip that I'm talking about is you actually, running your business like you have a physical shop, even before you get a physical shop. Now when I say this, what do I mean? You are going to implement a percentage for a shop in your pricing, though you don't have one, but you're going to leave it, right? So let's say that you want to price this particular item here. You have to consider, if you had a shop, how much you were going to sell this and sell it at that price. Now why is this important? This is important, number one, because it is going to guard you. Okay, it is going to guard you as a business person. Immediately you now have the means to get a shop, you wouldn't have to go and now touch your savings to actually rent a shop. It's actually like a very bad thing for you to do. Don't go and touch your savings to go and rent a shop. So right now that you don't have, act like you have it. price like you have it, so that when you get it, yeah, okay, thank you. So that when you get it, you wouldn't have any issues actually going in for the physical shop. Okay, the other thing is to help your pricing, okay, so that you can regulate your pricing very well. You don't want a situation whereby immediately you rent a shop, your prices automatically goes up. So right now that you don't have it, implement those things so that it will be very, very easy for you. If you decide to get a physical shop, you wouldn't have much issues with those things. Okay, so now this particular one is also tripod, but a different version of the other tripod. I actually got two because I was taking one to campus, but it didn't arrive early, so I had to get one in Ghana over here. So that's what I'm currently using over there, but I can just keep it anytime at all I need it. I can easily go back to it. So we are done with this. Now let's get right into the box. This box is very heavy, and I know why it's very heavy, because I'm expecting something inside, which I know is definitely very, very heavy. So let me quickly open it and let's see how it goes. So the first one is going to be this one over here, and this is actually a suit. Okay, this particular suit the story behind this, actually got this for my husband's graduation. Can you see that? It's very, very good, and I made a very huge mistake. The mistake I did was I forgot to change my shipping address before buying it. I actually wanted this to go through air, and it actually went through sea, and even to my repacking agent. So just imagine, it means that it will stay at my repacking agent to receive the other items before they will pack it together, you know, a whole lot. So this item is not today item, but it kept very long at my repacking agent's place. So we just had to get a different option in Ghana here, but this quality, I'm very sure he is going to love it. So the next one is going to be these. Actually, unboxed cosmetics from China before. Most people are always like, you'll get the fake in China and all of that. Me, I actually believe that, you know, replicas also work, right? People create replicas of items. The fact that the item is a replica doesn't mean that, you know, like, it's a no-go area. I don't believe in that. So far as it works for me, I don't have issues with that. So the first one, a sister of mine actually took it and she loved it. So she asked me to buy different ones for her. So I think this is the essence. So this one is the essence. Then this is, I think, a face cream or a face mask. I actually got this from a totally new supplier. This is actually a face mask. This particular supplier, I just assume that, you know, they have very, very quality items. I must tell you, when even you see their items, they are of good quality. So this is actually Korean skincare, and it came with this particular spoon over. And the next one is the 3-in-1, yeah, the all-in-one cream. So this all-in-one face cream. So I'm just going to open it up. I said this cream, the first one did magic for my sister, so she asked me to get another one for her. So this is how it looks like, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so though most people are like the China one is fake, but it's actually working for people, right? So far as it works for them, they don't really have issues with whether it's replica or it is not. So the next one is, okay, so this a sunscreen. Okay, then we have this. So this is the same essence. I got one for myself, one for my sister. There's another essence. So I think we got about 3. Then there's another cream. So this for me. Then there's another sunscreen for her. And this particular one over, I chatted with the supplier. I sent my face to the supplier. This supplier is good. If I say the supplier is good, it's very good. I chatted the supplier, asked her to give me recommendations, and this one was actually a recommendation from the supplier. The supplier actually recommended this one for me for my skin. Okay, so this is how it actually looks like. Yeah, it smells very nice, and it is a face cream. Okay, I have to be really fast, it's about to rain over here. So also I got these smartwatches, and you guys remember this particular sandals or shoe? Is it sandals or shoe? I can't even tell. These particular ones over here, the first one I bought, it wasn't my size, so I had to go in for another set because like the quality was so good, and it was, you know, very painful that it wasn't my size. So I got it in this, and I also got it in the brown. I got the same set I got the last time. Take this one. See, so I also got this. Now the very last one, okay, it actually wants to rain here, oh, and you guys don't want the rain to beat me outside here, so let me just be very fast about this and go. So this actually oil, this cooking oil, this cooking oil. See, this is olive cooking oil. Now most of you will be like, Dorkie, you spoke about FBA and all of that. Please, I just did the repacking. Nobody knows what is inside here. But if you look at this video and you go and pack so many bottles of these, and the customs find out that it is oil, they are going to seize it. Okay, since this is just for personal use and it's just one piece, I also did repacking, as you can see. So all of these items were on top of it. You're not even going to realize that this thing inside here, there is oil. I hope you understand. But this quality here, it is so quality, and the price too is very good for like 5 liters. I think it's for, yeah, so it's 5 liters. Okay, so thank you for watching my unboxing, and it's about to rain. I have to go. Thank you. It's bye bye.